Chapter 20. The International Space Station, ISS. The International Space Station is like a big floating house in space where astronauts live and work. It's a very special place that orbits or goes around the Earth. It's like a home away from home for astronauts. The ISS is made up of many different parts that were built by different countries from all around the world. That's why it's called the International Space Station, because it's a collaboration between many countries. The ISS is really big. It's about as long as a football field and as tall as 4-story buildings. It's made up of different modules or sections and are connected together. Inside the modules there are living quarters, laboratories, and even a gym for the astronauts to exercise. Astronauts from different countries take turns living and working on the ISS. They stay there for a few months at a time, and then they come back to Earth and new astronauts take their place. It's like a rotating team of space explorers. Living on the ISS is very different from living on Earth. There's no gravity in space, so everything floats around. Astronauts have to be careful not to lose things because they can just float away. They sleep in special sleeping bags that stick to the walls, straps to help them stay seated at mealtimes, and magnetic trays and cutlery to eat from. They eat special food that doesn't need to be cooked, although they do have a microwave so they can eat hot meals. Astronauts on the ISS do lots of important things. They conduct experiments to learn about how the human body reacts to being in space, and also to do research to learn about Earth and the universe. They take pictures, collect samples, and even grow plants in space. The ISS is also a place where astronauts from different countries can work together and learn from each other. They share their knowledge and experiences to make new discoveries and advancements in space exploration. To get to the ISS, astronauts travel in special spacecraft called a Soyuz rocket. The rockets blast off from Earth and takes them up to the space station. When they arrive, they dock or attach their spacecraft to the ISS, and then they can go inside and start their mission. The ISS has been orbiting the Earth for more than 20 years. It's a symbol of international cooperation and the spirit of exploration. It's like a shining beacon in the sky, reminding us of what humans can achieve when we work together.